Trevor! Pull the head up.
Like your ammo, flex, ammo, move out. Yeah, hold that. Yeah, Trevor!
All right.
He gotta lift his head up. Hold that. He gotta move his elbow.